India has not given them enough sport so that they could have won Olympic medals. This is the sport which require the financial sport and infrastructure sport, then equipment sport is required to the player before becoming Olympians in schools, colleges and universities. This is the totally neglected area by the public, by the government and by the sports federations. They should do their duty by providing each and everything to become a great players. Now Indian University is utilizing their services to motivate the younger generation to play sport for health point of view. If they don't become Olympians and international players, at least they will maintain good health so that they will become good citizens. They can serve this country in a better way than the others.
Sir, there is a international collaborated meets are there. When there is a country, there two countries are playing. Is there any theme according to the university? The two university can take a meet or to take any competition in them.
Yes, we have a friendly program with Pakistan, China, and then now we are entering with Sri Lanka, so that there can be. Now we are inviting the Sri Lankan Air Force hockey team, which will play test matches against Indian universities hockey at Delhi, Jalandhar, Amritsar, Chandigarh, Bombay and Calcutta. So that will be a good exposure. Our players should know how to play against the tough teams and senior teams which having the players of higher maturity and ability. So this will, I think, will judge our players whether they can play against the formidable teams. So this is a learning experience for our players. We would like to play hockey and cricket against Pakistan, and Pakistan-India match is always very exciting and enjoyable, so that our players and players from Pakistan team put their heart and soul to make a very thrilling competition. Such competition bring the best out of the players of both the sides. So this is expected because it's very economical, because we cannot organize international competitions in India because it requires a lot of funds which we are unable to generate, but we can play matches against each other which are very economical and very easy to be conducted.
Sir, our last question is there. There is a very much important role in sport is the involvement of the common peoples, because in cricket the common people are very much taking interest in the cricket. Everyone knows six, fours and lot of their technical words. In that way, is there any programs of universities to involve the peoples likewise?
Yeah, the involvement of people for promoting any sport is very important and very urgent. If you see, previously there was a lot of long matches, the long duration of matches, like test matches of 5 days, 3 days, 1 day, because people don't have much time to watch such long duration matches. Then International Cricket Council has decided to design cricket in such a way and develop the program, develop the matches in such a way that it is shorter, exciting, interested, so that and people can afford time from their busy life. So I think this is a designing of the policy of the cricket, developing the program of the cricket and delivering the results. This is how they are board members have decided. Similarly, other games need to be designed in which the interest of the public is created, because if the public appeal is created, then people will come to see the matches. When people are there to see our players will be more excited to give their best. So public appeal is more important than money itself. When people will start watching matches, they will spend some money, revenue will come, and attraction will be there. So a game can survive and succeed in case we also follow the system of marketing and advertising as it has been done in cricket.
Yeah. Sir, under your leadership and your guidelines, Indian sports definitely get improved, because your visions are very long and having they are very much studyful visions. So thank you for giving us your valuable time for the NSCC Sports YouTube channel. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vaz. Thank you for calling.